on Hurricane Gulch. We're going to be 300 feet over the water here.
So our first view is going to